Hello and welcome back to my Bougie on a Budget home series, where today we're going to be talking about what I think is the most genius, easy, and affordable way to upgrade your home to make it look more expensive. And that is all of the peel and stick things. And if you're renting, it's especially perfect because it is completely damage free. Even if you're not renting, it's a great, easy option to upgrade different areas of your home. Links to everything that I'm discussing is going to be found in the description box and as the first pinned comment, as always. So with all of that said, we're gonna get started with peel and stick wallpaper, which I'm sure you've seen, you've heard of before, but I want to share with you different ideas beyond the wall of where you can use your peel and stick wallpaper. So it does need to be said that yes, of course, you can use the peel and stick wallpaper on a wall to do an accent wall, a pop of color, just something a little bit different without having to commit to painting. And that is what we did for Capri's nursery. We have this gorgeous floral peel and stick wallpaper that just gives that beautiful feminine element and adds that personality to the room that was so easy to install. With all peel and stick, everything I'm going to talk about in today's video, read the instructions because they're all a little bit different in how you apply them. The next place you could put your peel and stick wallpaper that I'm going to do in my home, because I just love how this looks, is on the underside of your stairs. If you have the wooden stairs with either the white or the wood backdrop, you can put your peel and stick wallpaper to add some interest there and make it look so chic. I love how this looks. I got these two to try for our stairway, so I'm going to apply one on one stair, one on the other, and I will have you guys vote down below which you like. I just love that I don't have to fully commit. I could change things up and I can add a little splash, a little something. Another idea for peel and stick that I love, if you have a kitchen island with a blank base, you can use your peel and stick wallpaper to add some visual interest there. I've seen this in so many home designs I've been looking at on Pinterest, and it is just such a statement. You can also put your peel and stick wallpaper in the back of built-in shelves or bookcases. I also love the idea of putting it in your closet, in the backdrop of your closet, just to make it more of a boutique, elevated element in there. Another thing in your closet, you can put your peel and stick on the bottom of your drawers. So when you open the drawers, you get this like pop of color wow factor. And not only in your clothing dresser drawers, but even in your bathroom drawers, you can use the peel and stick wallpaper. Next peel and stick item to discuss, maybe my personal favorite, because this is so smart, whoever invented this, the peel and stick tile backsplashes. It is such a pain, such an investment to redo all of your backsplashes. You can get the peel and stick, you guys, for so affordable in any design you can think of, any color, any style. One idea I like for this is if you do want to add a little pop of color. Like our house is so neutral, and now looking back, I'm like, I wish I added some color. So this is a great way to experiment with color. This jade green color is really popular and on trend right now in kitchen backsplashes. So if you want to try it, you can do that without having to commit. So not only for your kitchen backsplash, your bathroom backsplash, or I love the idea of using this in your laundry room. Having a beautifully designed laundry room, it's just gonna motivate you to wanna be in there more often. Another type of peel and stick technology for the home that I think is so smart are these privacy screens. So they go on any window or glass in your home to not only give privacy, so someone can't look inside your window or glass, but they also have a beautiful design element to them. They have all of these different styles. You can do a stained glass style. You can even have a spa-like atmosphere. There are so many. So instead of having to replace your glass with a tempered glass for that privacy or putting up curtains, you can just go for the peel and stick. The most useful application of peel and stick technology in the home are peel and stick lights. I am the biggest advocate for these. I have them all over the home. So my favorite application of the peel and stick lights is on our stairway. They are motion activated. So when me or the kids are walking down the stairs and it's dark, it will illuminate the way for us. So it's practical. It also just looks beautiful. It gives that nice glow. We have these under the bathroom vanity. So when you're walking up at night to use the restroom, it's like a natural motion activated night light. I have them underneath our sink. So the kitchen sink, the bathroom sink, when you open the cabinets, I have these stick on motion activated lights that light up and show me what's inside these dark cabinets so I can find what I'm looking for. You can also add these lights under your kitchen cabinets to illuminate and create a beautiful ambiance in your kitchen. I was floored literally to see that you can also get peel and stick flooring that looks so nice and is so crazy affordable. Like, I wish this existed or I knew about this when I lived in my last apartment, because you can put this in your bathroom, in an entryway, even your kitchen if you have, kitchen flooring that you're not loving. And this is incredibly durable. It is waterproof, but at the same time, it's not going to damage your real floors when it is time to move, or if you ever want to change it, you can just pull it off. You can also use peel and stick on tabletops to update your countertops, your desk, other areas around your home. So if you have an outdated kitchen countertop or bathroom countertop, you can stick this on top. And I personally like this matte finish to it. It looks a little bit more expensive. So your kitchen, your bathroom counters, I'm going to put this one on my desk, and it keeps getting nicked up, marked up. And not only is this going to make it look nicer, but it's also practical and it's protecting my desk and countertops. Now let's talk bathrooms, because if you are low on shelf space, especially in the shower, these peel and stick press on shelves, I have two different ones, are so amazing and they look beautiful. These are the brushed metal. We have them in black, but they also come in gold, silver. They can hold a good amount of weight. They will stick on. I've had these on down there for over a year. They add more space in the shower, but they also add that beautiful design element. And then the newer type that I got, these are on trend right now from Amazon. They're these angled clear acrylic shelves. I love how these look. I think they're so pretty. But what's crazy to me is I stuck these on the textured tile wall of my shower, and they are holding strong on there, and they're allowing me to have a lot more in my shower. The way that they're angled, there's also holes to allow for drainage, so no water or mildew builds up on them. And then the bottom, there's added shelf space for hanging your razor, your loofah, anything else. If you like the look of wainscoting panels, they look really elegant, really high-end. We have it on our stairwell. Now you can get these pre-made peel and stick. They don't have to be custom made. Just stick on the wall that you could remove at any time. If you are renting or you're a homeowner and you're putting stuff on your walls, paintings, pictures, art, whatever it is, and you just don't want to cause a lot of damage, have this like $10 hole repair kit that, in my opinion, every homeowner should have. It is so smartly done. You squeeze the putty out to fill the hole. There's the scraper to scrape off the excess. And then there's also the little gentle sander that you can sand it into the wall so it blends in seamlessly if you do need to repair any holes. And then I also have this paint pen that you fill up with your wall paint color. And I just keep this in my kitchen drawer. So if there's any time you need to patch up a little bit of paint or patch up and match a hole, you can just paint it on like with a little paintbrush, and the paint lasts in here and stays fresh for years. So you don't have to go and open up a huge paint can just for one little touch up. The other easy damage-free hack for hanging pictures around the home, they now have the command hooks that really hold a lot of weight. They will tell you how much weight they hold, and these just stick on. So if you're doing like a gallery wall and it's so complicated, you can use these instead. Last favorite peel and stick item around the home that I did not realize I would love as much as I do are these peel and stick pod organizers. So I use these to put my Nespresso pods, but if you also have a Keurig or any type of pods, you can stick this. I have it underneath my kitchen cabinets, but you can also put this on the interior of a cabinet door, and you can customize them to fit any size pods that you have. So you are freeing up drawer space, counter space. So yeah, I hope you got some fun new ideas for how you can use peel and stick items all around your house. And also, I am going to be doing a special Amazon Live deal stream. I get these exclusive discount codes on some of my most favorite things. These are going to be great gift items for your mom for Mother's Day, or for yourself. That is going to be this Thursday. I will have the time and other details of how to join. And with all of that said, thank you as always so much for watching, and I will see you soon with a new video.